Let's do Wordle number 1079 for June 2nd. And I asked for 2 starting words related to Star Trek. And Donna suggested space. The Final Frontier. All right. What's your favorite Star Trek show? I think it's always hard for me to decide because Star Trek TNG has a very, very special place in my heart. And it is my go-to if I just need to watch something when I'm feeling sad. But I think Deep Space Nine is an objectively better series. It holds up better, but both are very, very good. So I don't know. If I had to choose, I'd probably still pick TNG, but I really do love Deep Space Nine as well. All right. So we have an A. That's it. I just want to get good letters. So like TR are good letters. I don't even care about more vowels at this point, although I could get another vowel, maybe. What are other good letters? I think we used a lot of them. We kind of have the middle of the road letters left, and it's never clear which ones to choose, like G, K, M, D. Can't do track. There's no C. So with no C, there's less likely to be a K. Doesn't mean there isn't one, but it's less likely. So something like an M or a D. I just need to come up with a good word. What if I did something like DRA? And then I do want a T. Ooh, I just saw wrath. That's really good. I think that gets some good letters. Let's try it. Just the RA. Okay, so R was correct. There's a lot of RA words. I still don't want to really try that O or U right now. It could be RAU, but I really feel like it's going to be consonants. So how do we do 2 consonants at the end? Or do we do a Y at the end? Like gravy. Actually, I'm going to try gravy. I think that's a good one. The V is correct of all things. What are we putting after the V? Okay, now I have to consider a duplicate A at the end or an O. None of the words end in U. The only word 2 words we've had end in U, bayou and snafu, and that's probably all there's ever going to be. Don't say adieu. That's not going to be an answer. But anyway, if it ever is, all the adieu people will be happy, and I'll be happy for them. Bravo, I think is what it is. All right, cool. Interesting word today, for sure. It doesn't fit the norms. I mean, the BR is pretty normal. BRA is pretty normal, but like that VO ending is kind of nutty. I don't think I was in too much danger there. I bet I was down to very few words even after wrath, but the Wordle bot will tell us, and let's see if my instinct is right. So we started with space and final, and we only got this A. Already down to 12 words. So I went with wrath. Let's see, what would it go with in hard mode? It would go with horde. Interesting. Okay, so it's trying to get that O. Horde is objectively the best according to it for hard mode. But let's see how wrath did. So wrath got us the RA. And now it's saying we're between bravo, drama, and gravy. I did not think of drama, but once I did gravy, of course, yeah, it says don't do drama because drama does not distinguish bravo from gravy, whereas either bravo or gravy will tell you what the answer is afterwards. So gravy was a good choice there. Bravo would have been obviously the answer. So that would have been a good choice. But so yeah, I went gravy and then I'm sure it was just bravo. Yeah, so I was in no danger there. Unlikely brava. Even if bravo was the answer, I still would have been able to find it because literally nothing else would have locked in after bravo other than brava. So, all right, let's look at its hard mode solve. So it would do horde, and the answer was bravo. So we'd have these letters, which is actually, yeah, that's really good. It gets just bravo right away. In non-hard mode, it goes with doubt. We'd have the B and the O. I wouldn't be surprised if it's only bravo. Yeah, it's only bravo now. So cool. It does very good choices with both hard mode and non-hard mode, horde and doubt. But I don't think I did terribly. Cool. Well, let's spin the wheel of themes here and see what tomorrow is bringing us. Okay, another older one. A science theme. Suggested by Kayla. I'm just going to call you Kayla. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. So leave a comment with 2 starting words related to science in some way. And of course, if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.